It's Sunday evening. I just uploaded tonight's vlog, but I really had to show you this. Just look at this storm, and it's not showing any sign of stopping for a while. Now Steve's been away for 2 weeks. He's due back on Tuesday, and whilst he's been gone, I've been really busy filling and sanding and decorating the walls where the fireplace was. We took it down just before he went away. If you haven't seen it, you can catch up by following the link here. And it's been absolutely beautiful weather the entire time he's been gone. Now if you've watched tonight's video, you know that we currently have an opening in the lounge ceiling. Now Steve did block up the holes on the chimney on the outside before he left, but it's raining that much now. It's just pouring in all down my lovely new white pristine walls. I don't know if you can see that or not. I've got my bucket on the floor. I'm just trying to catch as much of the water as I can. I've got my mop. Oh gosh, the floor's really wet. I've got cloths, I've got sponges. I think it's going to be a really long night. Good morning, and what a difference. Definitely the calm after the storm. What a beautiful Monday morning. And it's better than what I thought. I fully expected the remains of the soot from this chimney to be washed down the walls. But it's okay. There are a few slight marks. I don't know if you can see that, if my camera will focus. But they're actually going to be hidden anyway, because we're going to be tiling behind the new wood burner. You can just see some down there where it's the water was splashing up against the walls. But again, it should all be hidden. So thankfully, not too much damage. Now the new fire and the pipes are here, ready and waiting to be installed as soon as we pick the tiles. Hopefully, we're going to get a chance to go shopping for some this week. Now Steve is back tomorrow, so I've got a few jobs I want to do today, including dusting our new shelving unit. Now we did cover it up when we were taking out the fireplace, but the dust has still got everywhere. And in fact, I don't think I've shown you this properly yet. So here it is from the very beginning.
Here we are, again in the studio, in the workshop, making and fettling bits of stuff up. We're adapting some shelves I bought quite a while ago now, and they were made of MDF with this really good aluminium system for fitting the shelves, which we like, but we didn't like that awful MDF fake mahogany colour, so we scrapped all that. We've kept the alley and we're adapting it, and it's starting to look pretty good. So I've got to shorten these to adapt to the shorter. These are what the shelf actually rests on, so it's fairly easy to come apart. Take that end off there, need that to fit, and just cradle that shelf. Just mark it there. Get some chop saw. A little bit of noise for a sec. And I'll turn the chop saw on. Which plug is it?
Take two.
Take two, and we have power now. So just check that. You've got to go steady with aluminium, with a normal saw blade, just really steady. It screams a little bit, so excuse the noise. Then all you do is just take the back edge off, because it's left a bit of a sharp bit there, so that's it. And then that little piece of, that's aluminium, it's not plastic, so it's all well made. Just taps back on there. If I've cut it the right size, like I have,
beautiful
and it just fits really nice. It has a good look about it. Now this wood, if you can't guess, it's cocobolo. we have a fair bit of cocobolo. It's been sanded with a belt sander. Then I've had to go with the all-belt sander, and it's got a pretty good finish now. So literally just a few little wipes up and down. It's like 500 or 600 to it. So it just gives it a really good flat finish. No marks on that. Apart from that, it's not a mark to it. Front edge, I haven't rounded it off. I like it square, but I've just taken that square edge off so it's smooth. Beautiful grain of that. This cocobolo is part of the rosewood family, and you can see why.
So can we go start putting the shelves up now?
Yeah, we can. What I'm going to do though, I just want to show you this wax, how it just brings this wood to life. Clear wax, bit of dust. Cleanish. Oh, it's really soft with the heat here.
Oh yeah.
It's quite warm here today. That's why I've taken refuge in the workshop. And this just looks gorgeous.
Wow.
Look at the difference. Just a bit of wax makes like that. Superb. Wax on, wax off, both sides. Front edge. It's very warm, so it's not the best time for wax because you want the wax to go hard so you can polish it off, buff it off. So that
beautiful colour.
In it, rosewood. Well, cocobolo, but it's part of the rosewood family. Stunning piece of wood. How many shelves have we got to do? A lot.
A lot, yeah.
This is one of the smaller ones. Some of the shelves are over a metre long.
It's a shelving unit that we're putting in the lounge to house the media.
Media, that's a good
The
word.
media centre.
The media, an old stereo.
An old stereo, basically, yeah. And some
Bits and bobs.
bits and bobs. So can we go start putting the shelving unit up now?
Well, give this to dry and then I'll buff it.
Okay. I'm very impatient to see it against the painted wall that I've done.
Oh yeah. So, the
Yeah.
difference
Look at
between a bit of wax, what a difference. And that's yet to buff up. I mean, obviously it just needs a few minutes to dry.
Looks lovely, darling. Well done.
Still not perfectly dry there. A little bit glossy, but just a sheen. Alright,
Gorgeous.
super smooth. It's not resistant to spills of drinks and such, so but because it shows there's be no drinks going on it. So waxing furniture like this is alright as long as it's never gonna have regular use on it, can it? It's for a shelf when it's just something put on it for display or stereo or whatever, that's fine. But you couldn't just do that to a tabletop. Needs more chemicals on it. Stop cups spoiling it. So,
Beautiful.
isn't it?
Yeah, we'll put the shelves up now.
God, woman. Beach beer time now, isn't it?
I know, but I'm
Shouting.
excited.
Tapas time.
Okay. tricky to put together and it's still not quite finished. We've got a drawer to make for here. It'll be a place to keep things like playing cards, games, etc. It's also home to our media centre. Did you manage to see the first song that we played on it? If you recognised it, let me know in the comments below. It's got a few things we've collected over the years, some lamps, my family heirloom nutcracker, books, vases, chessboard that Steve made in a previous episode. Plus there's some spaces for some new additions so we can go shopping. I absolutely love it. I think it really fits the vibe of what we're wanting for this room. Okay, coffee break over. I am on cleaning duty today and supermarket later because Steve's coming home tomorrow and I can't wait. Steve's just called. It's a 9-hour drive from our place to the Cres and he's about 30 minutes away. I'm so excited. Yay! Here he